Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is a reminder vacancy. Name of organization is NMDC Limited. Here the post asked is Administrative Officer, Finance and Accounts Officers Trainee. Qualification required is graduate with CA Inter or CMA Inter. Here the upper age limit is 32 years. There are total 6 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. You don't need any prior experience. Here your per month salary will be rupees 37,000 for initial 18 months and then you will be absorbed in the pay scale of 37,000 to 1,30,000. Mode of application is online and last date of application is 17th Feb 2023. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you that at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses which covers your technical syllabus of the examination. There are many PSU exam courses available as you can see on your screen. We are keep on adding new courses for preparation. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start preparing for your examination. Website link and coupon code are mentioned in the description box. I wish you all the best for your examination. Friends, next vacancy is from General Insurance Corporation of India. The name of post is Assistant Manager Finance in Scale 1. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks and a CA degree. Here the upper age limit is 30 years. There are total 12 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai. It's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here your per month salary will be rupees 85,000. Mode of application is online and last date of application is 27th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Maritime University. Name of post is Assistant Registrar Finance. Qualification asked is master's degree in commerce with at least 55% marks or its equivalent or a bachelor's degree with CA or CMA degree. Here the upper age limit is 40 years. Number of vacancies are 2. Place of posting is all over India. It's a permanent vacancy. 3 years of experience asked. Here your package per annum will be rupees 13 lakh. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 5th March 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Central Board of Irrigation and Power. Name of post is Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts. Here the qualification asked is either a CA or CMA final pass candidate. Age limit is 38 years. Number of vacancy is 1. Place of posting is in New Delhi. Nature of employment is permanent. You need to have 6 years of prior experience. Package per annum is 9.75 lakhs. Mode of application is offline and you have to apply by 20th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from National Highway Invent IT Projects Managers Private Limited. Here name of post is Manager Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is CA CMA. Age limit is 35 years. Number of vacancy is 1. Place of posting is in New Delhi. Nature of employment is contractual. Experience asked is 5 years in highways or road sector companies. Here your pay scale will be 15,600 to 39,100. Grade pay of 6,600 is the basic pay. Mode of application, you have to apply through email ID mentioned on your screen by 17th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here the name of post is Accountant. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, MCOM or BCom. Age limit is 30 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in Delhi. It's a contractual job. Again, you need to have 5 years of experience in highway or road sector companies. Here your pay scale per month will be 5,200 to 20,200 in the grade pay of 2,800. Again, you have to apply through email mode by 17th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from IIT Gandhinagar. Name of post is Junior Accountant Officer. Qualification asked is master's degree or bachelor's degree or equivalent with at least 55% marks. Upper age limit is 32 years. There are total 4 vacancy. Place of posting is in Gujarat. It's a permanent vacancy. Friends, I guess for the experience 5 years if you are applying based on bachelor's degree and 3 years if you are applying based on master's degree. Here your per month salary will be 53,820 excluding HRA. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 20th Feb 2023. The next vacancy is again from the same organization. Name of post is Junior Accounts Assistant. Qualification asked is bachelor's degree with at least 55% marks. Age limit is 27 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in Gujarat. It's a permanent vacancy. Friends, you need to have 2 years of experience in using computers for accounting. Per month salary will be rupees 34,914, that is excluding HRA. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 20th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization, that is IIT Gandhinagar. Name of post is junior assistant. Qualification asked is bachelor's degree with at least 55% marks. Age limit is 27 years. There are total 8 vacancy. Place of posting is in Gujarat. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 2 years of experience in using computers. Per month salary will be 34,914 excluding HRA. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 20th Feb 2023. The next vacancy is from College of Military Engineering, that is CME. Name of post is accountant. Qualification asked is degree in commerce. Upper age limit is 25 years. There is one vacancy and place of posting is in Pune. Nature of employment is permanent. You need to have 1 years of experience. Here your package per annum will be rupees 6 lakhs. You have to apply through online mode by 25th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Intelligent Communication Systems India Limited. Name of post is Officers Accounts. Qualification asked is degree in commerce along with MBA Finance or CA or CMA. The upper age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in New Delhi. It's a contractual job. You need to have 5 years of experience. Here your per month salary will be rupees 40,000 and mode of application is there is a walk-in interview on 14th Feb 2023 around 10 am to 3 pm. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Name of post is Senior Accountant. Qualification asked is BCom with 60% marks, but desirable is either a CA, CMA or a CA Inter or CMA Inter or MCom candidate. Here upper age limit is not mentioned. Number of vacancies are 8. Place of posting is in New Delhi. It's a contractual job. You need to have 2 years of experience. Here your per month salary will be 28,000 and again mode of application is there is walk-in interview on 14th Feb around 10 am to 3 pm. Friends, next vacancy is from Intelligent Communication Systems India Limited. Name of post is Junior Accountant. Qualification asked is BCom with minimum 45% marks or Senior Secondary with 50% marks and Commerce as one of the subject with 6-month certificate course in computer application from a government or government recognized institute. Here the upper age limit is not mentioned. Number of vacancies are 30. Place of posting is in New Delhi. Friends, it's a contractual job. No prior experience asked. Here your per month salary is 21,000. Mode of application is that there is a walk-in interview on 16th and 17th Feb between 10 am to 3 pm. Friend, next vacancy is from IIT Hyderabad. Name of post is Accountant. Qualification asked is Bachelor's degree in Commerce or a CA Inter or CMA Inter candidate. Here the upper age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Telangana. Nature of employment is contractual. You need to have 2 to 3 years of experience. Here your per month salary will be in between 20,000 to 30,000. You have to apply through online mode by 23rd Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from ICAR Sugarcane Breeding Institute Research Center. Name of post is Young Professional Finance and Account. Here the qualification asked is either a BCom, BBA or BBS with minimum 60% marks and a certificate course not below 6 months in IT and CS. The age limit is 45 years. Number of vacancy is 1. Place of posting is in Kerala. It's a contractual job. You need to have 1 years of experience. Per month salary will be 25,000. Mode of application is you have to send them an email by 20th Feb 2023. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find all the vacancy interesting and do share with your friends and family whom you find that these vacancies might be useful. And I will see you all in the next week with the latest jobs update in finance domain. Thank you so much.